Welcome to the Morning English Podcast. Listen, learn, and speak English daily.
Have you ever felt really nervous when walking into a bank?
Oh, absolutely. I think everyone has.
Right. You walk through those heavy glass doors, the security guard gives you a nod, and it is just so quiet inside.
So quiet and formal.
Yeah, very formal. And do you sometimes, not know what to say when talking about your money in English? Like your mind just goes completely blank.
It is an incredibly common feeling. I mean, it makes perfect sense when you really think about it.
Because money is serious.
Yeah, exactly. Money is our livelihood, right?
Huh.
It's how we take care of our families. It's how we build our futures. So when you add the pressure of having to speak about something so important in a second language,
It feels like a huge mountain you have to climb.
it really does. But we are here to help you climb it today.
We are so happy you are here with us in our little garden this morning.
It is such a beautiful morning, too.
It really is. We have the fresh sunlight shining right through the window of the house behind us.
You can even hear the birds softly chirping if you listen closely.
Yeah, it's very peaceful, very calm. And, that is exactly the energy we want to bring to today's deep dive.
No stress at all, just a warm, relaxing environment.
Right, because our goal today isn't to teach you finance. You already know how to manage your money in your home country.
Of course you do.
We just want to give you a practical guide on daily English banking conversations.
And here's a little secret about banks. They follow highly predictable patterns.
Oh, that's a good point.
Yeah, I mean, the greetings, the identity checks, the way they solve problems, it's all a standard pattern.
So once you learn the pattern, the fear just kind of disappears.
Exactly. You know exactly what they're going to ask before they even ask it.
I love that. And before we begin our practice, just a quick reminder, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy English lessons.
Yes, please do. We love having you here.
So let's jump right into section 1, the building blocks.
The essential banking vocabulary. Because, you need to know the basic tools before you can have a real conversation.
Right, you can't build a house without bricks.
Exactly. And the biggest brick in the banking world is the account.
The account. Now, when I hear that word in normal life, I think of, like, a story. Giving an account of what happened.
That is actually a really great way to think about it.
Really?
Yeah, because historically, a bank account was literally a written story of your money.
Oh, wow.
A clerk would write down every penny you brought in and every penny you took out.
Like a diary.
Right. So today, an account is just a financial record for depositing and withdrawing money. It's your personal space at the bank.
Okay, but there are different types of accounts. Our source material makes a very clear difference between a savings account and a current account.
Yes, this is a very important distinction. Let's start with the savings account.
Okay.
A savings account is where money is kept safely for the future, and it might even earn a little bit of interest.
Right, interest. That's when the bank pays you a little bit of money just for leaving your cash with them.
Right. Exactly. It's a reward. You don't plan to spend this money tomorrow or next week. You are saving it.
So the example sentence would be, I use my savings account to save money for the future.
Perfect. Simple and clear. Now, the other one is the current account.
Right, which some people also call a checking account.
Yes, exactly. And the current account is mainly used by businesses for frequent transactions.
Wait, only businesses? What if I just want to buy coffee every day?
Oh, individuals definitely use them too. But businesses use them the most because current accounts are built for speed and volume.
Ah, I see.
A savings account might only have 2 or 3 changes a month. But a business current account might have hundreds of changes every single day.
Like paying workers, buying supplies, paying the electricity bill.
Right. So a current account is for money that moves a lot.
Okay, that makes sense. So we have our accounts. Now, how do we actually move the money?
Well, there are 2 main words for money movement: deposit and withdrawal.
Deposit and withdrawal. Let's make this really simple. If I think of my account like a bucket,
I like that analogy.
is a deposit basically just pouring water into the bucket?
Yes. A deposit is putting money in. I want to deposit some cash.
And a withdrawal would be scooping water out of the bucket.
Exactly. Taking money out. I want to withdraw some money.
Pouring in, scooping out. That is super easy to visualize.
It is. But we usually don't do this inside the bank anymore, do we?
No, not really. We mostly use cards and machines now. Which brings us to the ATM.
The automated teller machine.
Right. This is the machine on the street that lets you access your bucket 24 hours a day without visiting the counter.
Exactly. But to use the ATM, you need a card. And there are two types of cards that confuse a lot of people.
Oh, yes. The debit card and the credit card.
This is a really big one. Let's look at the debit card first.
Okay.
A debit card is linked directly to the money you already have.
So going back to my bucket analogy, the debit card is like a straw that goes right into my bucket.
Yes, I love that. When you buy a coffee with a debit card, you are drinking your own water.
It comes straight out of my savings or current account instantly.
Right. But a credit card is totally different.
How so?
Well, a credit card means you are borrowing money from the bank for your purchases.
Borrowing, so I'm not drinking my own water.
No, you are drinking the bank's water.
Oh.
And they are keeping a list.
Uh-oh.
At the end of the month, they give you the bill, and you have to pay them back.
That is such an important difference. Debit is your money. Credit is the bank's money.
Exactly. Now, to use either of these cards safely, you need a PIN.
A PI, personal identification number.
Yes. And there is a crucial rule about your PI.
Our source gives a very strong warning about this, actually.
They really do. The warning is never share your ATM PI with anyone.
Never. Not even your friends, because that 4-digit number is the secret key to your bucket.
Exactly. If they have your card and your PI, they have your money.
Okay, so keep the P safe. Now, the last part of Section 1 is tracking your money. How do I know how much water is in my bucket?
You need to check your balance.
Balance. So the balance is the amount of money available right now.
Right. And every time the balance changes, that is called a transaction.
A transaction. So any activity, a deposit, a withdrawal, that's a transaction.
Yes. And if you want to see a list of all your transactions, you ask for a statement.
A statement. Like a document showing everything that happened over the last month.
Exactly. It's the written story we talked about earlier.
Wow. Okay. So we have all the building blocks now. Account, deposit, withdrawal, ATM, debit, credit, PIN, balance, transaction, and statement.
You are doing great. Now it's time for Section 2, the step-by-step simulation.
This is the fun part. We are going to walk you through real-life, predictable conversations at the bank counter.
Step by step, so you can hear exactly how it sounds.
Right. Simulation 1 is opening a new bank account.
Now, when you do this, you usually need a few documents: ID card, proof of your address, and maybe a photograph.
Because the bank needs to know exactly who is opening the account. Right.
Exactly. Security is everything. Let's simulate the conversation. You be the customer, and I will be the bank officer.
Sounds good. Let's do it.
Okay, ready?
Yep. Good morning. I would like to open a savings account.
Good morning. Certainly. Do you have any identification with you?
Yes, I have my ID card and address proof.
Great. Please fill out this application form.
Sure. Is there a minimum balance requirement?
Yes. The minimum balance is 1,000 rupees.
That's fine.
Once you submit the form, we will process your account.
How long will it take?
Usually 2 to 3 working days.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, let's pause and talk about that. It was very smooth.
Very smooth. And notice the polite language. You said, I would like to open an account.
Right. I didn't say I want to open an account.
Exactly. I would like is so much more polite in English.
And as the customer, I asked about a minimum balance. Is there a minimum balance requirement?
Yes, that means the lowest amount of money you must keep in the bucket at all times.
And if I drop below 1,000 rupees, the bank might charge me a fee.
Right. Then you asked about the time frame. How long will it take?
And you said 2 to 3 working days, which means Monday through Friday, skipping the weekend.
Exactly. The bank officer's language is very formal but helpful. Words like certainly and great.
It feels very welcoming. So now my account is open. Let's move to simulation 2, depositing cash.
Okay, so you have physical money in your hands and you want to put it in the bank.
Right. Let's walk through the exact physical steps. I'll be the customer again.
And I'll be the teller.
Yeah.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hello, I would like to deposit some cash.
Sure. Please fill out this deposit slip.
Okay.
Which account number would you like to deposit into?
Here's my account number.
Thank you. How much would you like to deposit?
10,000 rupees.
All right. Please hand over the cash.
There you go.
Your deposit has been completed. Here's your receipt.
Thank you very much.
Okay, breaking that down, what were the steps?
Well, first I had to fill out a deposit slip, a little piece of paper.
Right, because the bank needs a written record of your intent to avoid any mistakes.
That makes sense. Then I told you the exact amount, 10,000 rupees.
And then the physical exchange. Please hand over the cash.
I slide the money across the desk. But then there is a very important final step.
Yes, the receipt.
Here is your receipt. Never walk away without that piece of paper.
Never. It proves that the bank actually took your money.
Exactly. So depositing is pretty easy. Now, what about simulation 3, withdrawing money?
Taking money out, this is very similar, but there is one huge, crucial difference.
Let's see if the listener can catch it. I'll be the customer.
And I'll be the teller. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I would like to withdraw some money.
Certainly. Please fill out this withdrawal slip.
Okay.
May I see your ID?
Yes, here it is.
How much would you like to withdraw?
5,000 rupees.
Please sign here.
Done.
Here is your cash and receipt.
Thank you.
Okay, did you catch it?
I think so. Right in the middle, you stopped and asked, "May I see your ID?"
Yes. I didn't ask that when you were depositing money.
Why is that?
Because taking money out is risky for the bank. They have to be 100% sure you are the real owner of the account.
Right, they don't want to give my water to a stranger.
Exactly. So, may I see your ID is probably the most common phrase you will hear at a bank.
You should always be ready for it. Don't feel offended. They're just protecting your money.
Exactly. And I also asked you to sign the slip. Please sign here.
To match my signature with the one they have on the computer.
Right. It's a great security system.
It really is. Okay, so in all these simulations, everything went perfectly. But the real world is not always perfect.
No, it's not. Sometimes things go wrong. And that brings us to section 3, the problem scenario.
This is so important. Knowing how to handle mistakes or emergencies politely and calmly.
Yes, because when a machine beeps at you, it's easy to panic.
Oh, I panic, especially if there's a line of people behind me.
Totally. So let's look at problem 1, ATM card not working.
Okay, imagine this. You put your card in the ATM, you type your PIN, and the screen says transaction declined.
Ugh, the worst feeling.
It really is. Why does that happen?
Our source lists a few common reasons. The first one is simple. A wrong PIN was entered.
Right. You just typed the numbers wrong.
Yeah. The second reason is that the card is expired.
Oh, because cards usually only last a few years, right?
Exactly. You might need a new one. The third reason could be a machine error.
So the ATM itself is just broken.
Yeah. And the last reason is a network issue. The ATM can't connect to your bank's computer.
Okay, so your card is declined. You walk into the bank to ask for help. Let's role play. I am the stressed customer.
And I am the helpful bank officer.
Hello, I need help with my ATM card.
What seems to be the problem?
My card is not working at the ATM.
Did the machine show any error message?
Yes, it said transaction declined.
Let me check your account details.
Okay.
Ah, I see here your card might be temporarily blocked due to incorrect PIN attempts.
Oh, I must have typed it wrong.
We can reset your PIN in or issue a new card if needed.
I would like to reset my PIN in.
Please fill out the security form.
Sure.
Okay, stepping out of the role play. Notice how simple the English was.
Very simple. My card is not working.
And as the officer, I asked about the symptom. Did the machine show any error message?
And I just read what the screen said. Transaction declined.
Right. And it turned out the card was blocked because of too many wrong PIN attempts.
Which is a security feature, right? If you type it wrong 3 times, the bank freezes the card to stop a thief.
Exactly. And the solution was simple. I would like to reset my PIN.
That is so practical. But what if the problem is worse? Problem 2, the ATM swallowed the card.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that happens sometimes.
Just hearing that phrase, swallowed the card, gives me anxiety. Why would a machine do that?
Well, it happens for security reasons. For example, if you leave the card sticking out of the machine for too long.
Like if I'm looking at my phone.
Right. After maybe 20 seconds, the machine will pull the card back inside. So the next person who walks up doesn't just steal your card.
Oh, wow. That makes a lot of sense. But I still don't have my card.
Right. So you have to report it. Let's simulate that. I'll be the officer.
Excuse me, the ATM machine swallowed my card.
Where did this happen?
At the ATM outside the bank.
Do you remember the time?
Yes, around 10:30 this morning.
We will check the ATM and recover your card.
When can I collect it?
Please come tomorrow with your ID.
All right, thank you.
Okay, notice what the officer asked for. Location and time.
At the ATM outside and around 10:30.
Exactly. The bank needs those details to find the event in their computer system.
And then the final instruction. Please come tomorrow with your ID.
They won't just hand it back to you without checking who you are.
Always the ID. Okay, but now we arrive at problem 3. The urgent emergency. A lost debit card.
This is serious. If you lose your card, you have to act immediately.
Because anyone who finds it could try to use it.
Exactly. Every minute counts. Let's do the simulation.
Okay. I am the panicked customer. Hello, I lost my debit card.
I'm sorry to hear that. When did you lose it?
I think I lost it yesterday on the train.
We should block your card immediately.
Yes, please block it.
Done. Would you like to apply for a replacement card?
Yes, please.
It will arrive within 7 working days.
Thank you.
Okay, let's talk about this. Even in a true emergency, the English is so simple.
That's a great point. I just said I lost my debit card and please block it.
There is no need for complicated grammar when you need urgent help. Simple language is fast language.
And when you block a card, it means the plastic card becomes completely useless, right?
Exactly. The bank turns off the connection to your bucket. Your money is safe.
And then they send a replacement card in about 7 working days.
Yes. So don't worry. If you know these simple phrases, you can handle any emergency.
That is such a relief. Okay, moving on to section 4, account maintenance.
These are just the routine, everyday tasks. Keeping your garden tidy, so to speak.
Right. Task number 1 is checking account balance. Here is what it sounds like.
Good morning. Could you please check my account balance?
Sure. May I have your account number?
Here it is.
1 moment, please. Okay, your current balance is 12,450 rupees.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So the key phrase there from the officer is, 1 moment, please.
It's just a polite way to say, please wait while I look this up on my computer.
Exactly. Very quick, very easy. Now, the next task is requesting a bank statement.
Why would you need a printed statement?
Well, our source explains that sometimes other places need to see your financial history. Like if you apply for a visa to travel or a loan to buy a house.
Right, they want to see your spending habits.
Let's simulate it. Hello, I need a bank statement.
For what period?
For the last 6 months.
Would you like a printed copy or email?
A printed copy, please.
Please wait for a few minutes. Here's your statement.
Thank you very much.
Notice the 2 questions the officer asked. First, for what period?
Because they can't print your entire life history. You have to say, for the last 6 months.
And second, printed copy or email?
Usually for official things like a visa, you want a printed copy.
Yes. Now, the last maintenance task is updating personal information.
This is so important. If you move or get a new phone number, you have to tell the bank.
Otherwise, they can't warn you if there's fraud on your account.
Exactly. Let's listen. Hello, I would like to update my phone number.
Sure. Please fill out this update form.
Okay.
May I see your identification?
Here is my ID card.
Thank you. Your number will be updated within 24 hours.
Perfect.
And there it is again.
May I see your identification?
It never goes away.
No, it doesn't. They have to check your ID even just to change a phone number.
Because criminals try to steal phone numbers to get your bank passwords.
Wow. So they are really protecting you.
They absolutely are. Okay, we have covered so much ground today.
We really have. From opening accounts to handling lost cards. Now it's time for Section 5, the mini review.
Let's do a quick review, just a practical speaking practice.
We are going to say 4 key phrases slowly. We want you to repeat them out loud wherever you are right now.
It really helps build your speaking muscle memory.
Let's start with the first one, opening an account. I would like to open an account.
Try saying it out loud. I would like to open an account.
Good. Now the emergency phrase, I lost my debit card.
Say it with a little urgency. I lost my debit card.
Next, the routine maintenance phrase. Could you check my balance?
Make it sound like a question. Could you check my balance?
And finally, a phrase the officer will say to you, let me check your account details.
Just listen to the rhythm. Let me check your account details.
Wonderful. You are doing great. To finish up the lesson, we have 4 top tips for success when speaking English at the bank.
Tip number 1, speak clearly.
Banks are noisy. There's machines, people talking. You don't need to speak fast. Just speak slowly and clearly.
Tip number 2, use polite language.
Like we practiced. Instead of I want, say I would like, or could you please help me? It makes the staff want to help you more.
Definitely. Tip number 3, carry necessary documents.
Always have your ID ready. We learned that today.
It makes everything faster. And finally, tip number 4, ask questions.
Yes! If you don't understand the banker, do not just nod your head.
It's your money. You have the right to understand.
Just say, could you please explain that again? Or could you speak a little slower, please?
Good choice. They are professionals. They will help you.
Well, we have reached the end of our deep dive into daily English banking conversations.
By understanding why the bank asks certain questions, it removes the mystery.
And when the mystery is gone, the fear is gone. You can do this.
Just keep practicing.
Before we go, we just want to say thank you to our amazing listener.
We truly appreciate your support. We love spending our mornings with you.
We have an engaging question for you today. Tell us in the comments. What is the most difficult phrase for you to remember at the bank?
Is it explaining a problem? Or asking a specific question? We love reading your messages.
Yes, write it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy and fun English lessons.
Give this video a like if it helped you today.
And share it with a friend who wants to improve their English, or maybe someone moving to a new country soon.
Before we sign off, I want to leave you with one final thought.
Okay, let's hear it.
Think about how banking vocabulary is almost like a passport.
A passport?
Yeah. Once you understand words like statement, balance, and deposit, you aren't just learning English words. You are unlocking the language of financial independence anywhere in the world.
Oh, wow, that's true.
With these words, you can manage your life in London, New York, or Sydney. It makes you wonder, what other everyday places have their own secret language just waiting for you to learn?
I love that. Unlocking the secret language. Until next time, keep practicing and enjoy your morning.
Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.